Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss the chapter logarithm. Okay, and I have come to know that many of you are facing difficulties in some chapters like midpoint theorem and Pythagoras theorem. So I will discuss those chapters as well. Okay. Okay, so let's come to logarithm. Logarithm is what? Logarithm is the opposite of exponent. Okay, so we write exponent as, let's take an example. So 2 cube equals to 8. This is an example of exponent. So in logarithm term, we can write this as log 8 base 2 is equals to 3. So this 8 that is here, this comes here, and this 2 which is the base in exponent is also the base in logarithm, and this results in 3. Okay, so this 2 cube is equals to 3. Understood? So we can say this as log 8 base 2 is equal to 8 is equal to 3. Understood? Okay, so in some cases we can find that there is no base mentioned. Okay, so when no base is mentioned, then we can take the base as 10 or e. Okay, I am not taking e because it is not mentioned in this chapter, that is why. Okay, we can like do it in higher classes, we will get it. Okay, so let's come to the few formulae of logarithm. First one, log 1 base a will be equals to 0, because we can see here that when you wrote log 8 base 2 equals to 3, okay, that means 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. This means that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, when we write log 1 base a will be equals to what? That will be a, we can write it as a to the power what is equals to 1. We know that anything to the power 0 is equals to 1, therefore a to the power 0 will be equals to 1. So log 1 base a will nothing but 0, will be nothing but 0, right? Similarly, log a base a will be equals to 1, because a to the power 1 is equals to a, that is why. Okay, another formula is, if log x base a is equals to log y base a, if this is given, then we can say that x is equals to y. Okay, for this let us see this proof. Okay, let log x base a is equals to log y base a equals to m. Okay, we are taking this as m, therefore we can say that log x base a is equals to m, and log y base a will also be equal to m. Okay, therefore x will be equals to what? A to the power m, and y will be equals to what? A to the power m. So both of these are is equal to a to the power m, therefore we can say that x equals to y. Okay, next another formula is a to the power log x base a is will be equals to x. Okay, so this formula won't be useful in class 9, so we will discuss this later on. Okay, just remember this formula. Next, now we will learn some conversions. Okay, how to convert exponents into logarithmic form and vice versa, how to convert logarithmic form into exponents. Okay, suppose this exponent term is given, that 10 to the power 4 is equals to 10,000. How can we convert this into log? We can say that log 10,000, first of all, understand this, the term that will be there on the right of equal to we'll write it first, log 10,000. Then the base of the exponent, we will write it. Okay, then the power of the exponent will be there. So it becomes log 10,000 base 10 is equals to 4, because 10,000 10 to the power 4 is equals to 10,000. That is why. Understood? 10 to the power 4 will be equals to 10,000. So we can write it as log 10,000 base 10 is equals to 4. Okay. Similarly, if we are given 3 to the power minus 5 equals to x, then we will write log x. First of all, x will come here, then base will be 3 will be equals to minus 5. Okay. Okay. So next one will be 4 square is given as 16. So we can write it as log, first of all 16 will come here, then the base will come as 4 will be equals to 2. Okay. And the final one is a to the power x equals to y, then log y base a will be equals to x. Okay, so let's come to the next conversion of logarithm form into exponential form. Okay, so here we are given log 81 base 3 will be equals to 4 is equals to 4. So we have to convert this into exponential form. First of all, the base of the logarithm and the base of the exponent will be equal. So we will first write the base as 3, because here the base of the logarithm is given as 3. Then this 3 to the power 4 will come. Okay, because we know that 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. So the number on the right will be the power, okay, of the exponent, and this 81 will be the value that will come to the right hand side of the equal to. Okay, so it comes up to be 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. Okay, 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. Similarly, we are given log 32 base 8 equals to 5 by 3. So it will be 8 to the power 5 by 3 will be equals to 32. That is 8 to the power 5 by 3 is equal to 32. Okay, we have written it like this, and then I have just simplified it a little bit further. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. That means it is nothing but 8 equals to 2 cube. So I have written it like this. So 2 cube whole to the power 5 by 3. Now from the law of exponent we know that a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to what? A to the power m into n. So I have written it like this: 2 to the power 5 by 3 into 3. So this 3 gets cancelled out, and we are left with 2 to the power 5, which is equals to 32. Understood? Okay. Now let's come to the exercise. I have shown a few examples, and if you have doubts in any other questions that I have not shown here, then you can just say that in the comment, and I will show it. Okay. Okay. Question number 4, support 10. What's given here is that first of all we have to solve for x. Okay. So we are given as given log x base root 5 is equals to 2. So let's first of all convert this into exponential form. Okay, so it will be root 5 whole to the power 2 is equals to x. That is what I have written. So root 5 whole square is equal to x. Got it? That means 5 equals to x, which implies x equals to 5. Okay. Next, come to question number 17. We are given here is log 2x minus 3 is equals to 1. So I have taken this sum because here no base is mentioned, as we can see. Okay, so I have already told you that when no base is mentioned, then take base as 10. Okay, so I have taken, in the next step I have taken the base as 10. So log 2x base minus 3 base 10 is equals to 1, which implies 2x minus 3 will be equals to what? 10 to the power 1. Okay, I have just converted this into exponential form. So 2x minus 3 equals to 10. Therefore 2x equals to what? Minus 3 goes to the other side and it becomes plus 3. So it comes up to be 10 plus 3, that is 13. Therefore 2x equals to 13. Therefore x equals to 13 by 2 or 6 whole 1 by 2. That will be our answer. Got it? Next one, question number 8. So we are given log a base 10 is equals to m and log b base 10 equals to n. And we are asked to find out the value of a cube by b square in terms of m and n. Okay, first of all we need to convert this into exponent. So log a base 10 is equals to m can be written as 10 to the power m equals to a. That is what I have written. Similarly, log b base 10 equals to n can be written as 10 to the power n is equal to b. Now we are asked to find out the value of, let me write it here, a cube by b square. So first of all, we know the value of a, that is equals to 10 to the power m, right? And we know the value of b, that is equals to 10 to the power n. So first of all we need to find out the value of a cube. Okay, for that we have to cube both sides of this. So that is what I have done. Cubing both sides, we get a whole cube is equals to 10 to the power m whole cube. Okay, which implies a cube equals to 10 to the power 3m, because we know that a to the power m whole to the power n will be equals to a to the power m into n. So here it comes up to be 10 to the power 3 into m. Similarly, we need to find out the value of b square. So I have squared the both sides. Okay, so we got b whole square is equals to 10 to the power n whole square, which implies b whole square equals to 10 to the power 2n. Therefore a cube by b square is equal to, a cube means 10 to the power 3m and b square means 10 to the power 2n. So a cube by b square equals to 10 to the power 3m by 10 to the power 2n. Since these two bases are equal and it is divided, so we can say that 10 to the power 3m by 10 to the power 2n is equals to 10 to the power 3m minus 2n, because we know this formula, x to the power a by x to the power b will be equals to x to the power a minus b. That is what I have done here. Understood? Okay, let's take the next sum, question number 9. So here we are given log x, the value of log x base 10 is equals to 2a and log y base 10 equals to b by 2, and we are asked to find out, okay, first of all we need to find out 10 to the power a in terms of x. Okay, so we are given log x base 10 is equals to 2a, therefore we can convert it into exponential term, exponent. Therefore we can write that 10 to the power 2a is equals to x. Okay, here y will be 10 to the power b by 2 is equals to y. Okay, so here 10 to the power 2a equals to x, and we need to find out the value of 10 to the power a. So we can square rooting both sides. Okay, then we will get 10 to the power a will be equals to x to the power half. Got it? What we have done here is we have square rooting both sides. We get, okay, this is what we have done. Okay, so 10 to the power a becomes x to the power half. Similarly, we need to find out express 10 to the power 2b plus 1 in terms of y. For that, first of all, we need to find out 10 to the power b, the value of 10 to the power b. Okay, so 10 to the power b by 2 we get as y. So from here we need to find out the value of 10 to the power b. For that, we need to exclude this b by 2, this by 2 term. How can we do that? If we square both sides, then only we can do that. Okay, so 10 to the power, if we are squaring both sides, I'll show this here. Okay, squaring both sides, we get what? 10 to the power b by 2 whole square is equals to y whole square. Understood? Which implies 10 to the power b by 2. See, x to the power m whole to the power n can be written as x to the power m into n. That means 10 to the power b by 2 into 2. Okay, this 2 gets cancelled out, is equals to y square. Therefore 10 to the power b comes up to be y square. Understood? So this is what we have done. But here directly I have done 10 to the power b by 2 into 4. Okay, so I have powered it by 4. Why? Because we are asked to find out the value of 10 to the power 2b plus 1. Okay, so that is what I have done. So if we are powering it by 4, then this comes up to be 10 to the power 2b, and this becomes y to the power 4. Similarly, now we need to find out the value of 10 to the power 2b plus 1. This 10 to the power 2b plus 1 can be written as 10 to the power 2b into 10 to the power 1. Okay, this is everything that I am explaining is from the chapter of exponent or indices, if you say. So you need to revise that chapter, and it is already there in my video. Okay, you can find it in my channel. So 10 to the power 2b into 10 to the power 1 equals to what? 10 y to the power 4 into y to the power 1. So what we have done here is that here initially it was 10 to the power 2b equals to y to the power 4. So we have multiplied both sides by 10 to the power 1, as you can see. Okay, we have multiplied both sides by 10 to the power 1. So we got 10 to the power 2b into 10 to the power 1 equals to y to the power 4 into y to the power 1. So it comes up to be 10 to the power 2b plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power 10 into y to the power 4. Okay. Okay, so the third part of the question is given as if log p base 10 is equals to 3a minus 2b, then express p in terms of x and y. Okay, so log p base 10 is equals to 3a minus 2b, right? So first of all, let us convert this into exponential form. So we get 10 to the power 3a minus 2b is equals to p. Okay, so we can break this 10 to the power 3a minus 2b down as 10 to the power 3a divided by 10 to the power 2b. Okay, is equals to p, which implies 10 to the power 3a means what? 10 to the power x to the power 3 by 2, because 10 to the power a was x to the power half. Now cubing both sides, we get 10 to the power 3a will be equals to x to the power 3 by 2. So 10 to the power 3a I have written it as x to the power 3 by 2. Similarly, 10 to the power 2b, 10 to the power 2b we got as here 10 to the power 2b is equal to y to the power 4. So I have just simply substituted the value of 10 to the power 2b as y to the power 4. So x to the power 3 by 2 whole divided by y to the power 4 is equal to p. So in other words, we can just rearrange it and write it as p equals to x to the power 3 by 2 by y to the power 4. So this will be our answer. Understood? Okay, let's move on to the next portion. Okay, so there are some new formulae that we need to learn, new laws of logarithm. Okay, some more laws of logarithm that we need to learn. Okay, first one is log mn base a can be written as log m base a plus log n base a. Okay, similarly here look, m is multiplied by n, and so we are writing it as plus. Okay, now when m will be divided by n, then it will be minus. Simple thing, right? So log m by n base a will be equals to log m base a minus log n base a. Now if log m to the power n base a is given, then it will be this n will come to this side. Okay, so it will be n log m base a. Understood? Okay, another formula is the base changing formula. This is very interesting. Okay, look, if log x base y is given, then we can simply write it as log x by log y. Similarly, if log b base a is given, then we can write it as log b by log a. So here we are given log b base a into log c base b. So what will be the value of this? See, log b base a can be written as log b by log a. So here I have written it as log b by log a. Similarly, log c base b can be written as log c by log b. So I have written it as log c by log b. Now this log b gets cancelled out, and we are left with log c by log a. Understood? So log c by log a can be written as log c base a. Therefore, log b base a into log c base b is equal to what? It's equals to log c base a. You don't need to memorize these things, okay? Just work it out and you will get it. Similarly, log a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a, because what is the value of 1 by log b base a? It's nothing but 1 by log b by log a. So it gets reversed and it comes up to be log a by log b, which is equals to log a base b, which is this term. Understood? Okay, so these were the formulae. So let's come to the exercise 9.2. Okay, 1 subpart 5. So it is given as log 27 by log root 3. So look here, this 27 by seeing this term and root 3, these are the two terms that are given. Okay, so 27 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. This is what needs to be come in our mind. Okay, what needs to come in your mind. Okay, so again here it is root 3, it is not 3, so we need to express this 27 in terms of root 3. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So again this 3 will be root 3 into root 3, and again this 3 will be root 3 into root 3. So this 27 comes up to be root 3 whole to the power 6. Understood? That is what I have done. Log 27, so I have replaced this 27 by root 3 whole to the power 6. Okay, so in the next step, see, we have studied that, we have read that log m to the power n will be equals to what? N log m. Okay, so it will be 6 log root 3 by log root 3. So log root 3 gets cancelled out, so it is 6, which is our answer. Understood? This is the formula that I was talking about. Log m to the power n is equals to what? N log m. Okay, Okay, so next sum is 1 support 6. Here it is given as log 9 minus log 3 by log 27. Okay, so this log 9 can be written as what? 9 can be written as okay. 9 can be written as 3 square, and this 3 keep it as it is, because we will be expressing everything in terms of 3, right? So 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay, so we have done just that. Log 9 means log 3 square minus log 3 whole divided by log 27 means log 3 cube. So this 2 comes here, it becomes 2 log 3 minus log 3 whole divided by 3 log 3. Understood? So this 2 log 3 minus log 3 comes out to be log 3, because let this consider this log 3 as a. Therefore this numerator becomes 2a minus a. Understood? Which is equals to what? A. That means log 3. Understood? So if you are finding anything complicated, just break it down into simpler terms. Then you will be able to understand it properly. So look, 2 log 3 minus log 3 becomes log 3 whole divided by 3 log 3. So this log 3 gets cancelled out and we are left with 1 by 3. Understood? And this is our answer. Next, let's come to question number 2 support 6. So we are given here is that 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus half log 36 minus 2 log 10. Okay, and we need to simplify it. Okay, so we are keeping this 2 log 5 as it is, plus log 3 is there, plus 3 log 2 is there, and first of all we need to simplify this term. So here it is given as minus half log 36 and 36, and here it is half. Okay, so we need to express this 36 in some power terms, okay, in some square terms, so that this square comes outside this and it gets multiplied by half, and this get half and 2 gets cancelled out. Okay, so that is what we did. So 36 means what? 6 square. Okay, and minus 2 log 10 I have written as it is. So this, which is equals to 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2. I have kept everything same except this log 6 whole square. This 2 comes out and it becomes it gets multiplied by half, okay, which was already there. So half into 2 log 6 minus 2 log 10. I have written this 10 as 2 into 5, okay, because we have this already 5 and here we have this 2, that is why. Okay, so I have written as 2 into 5. So this half and 2 gets cancelled out, so it comes out to be 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus log 6 minus this 2 log 2 into 5. I have just simplified it and I have written it as 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5, because we know this log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. That is what I have done here. Okay, so it becomes 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5. Okay, now 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus this 6 I have written it as 2 into 3. Okay, minus log 2 into 3 minus 2 log 2 minus 2 log 5. So this minus 2 log 5 and this plus 2 log 5 gets cancelled out. Okay, another thing that you need to note is here 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5, it was in bracket and outside this bracket was minus, so everything was getting multiplied by minus, so it came out to be minus 2 log 2 and minus 2 log 5. Okay, understood? So plus 2 log 5 minus 2 log 5 gets cancelled out, so we can write it as log 3 plus, see this okay, this plus 3 log 2 and minus 2 log 2 comes out to be plus log 2, because let's consider this log 2 as a, so this is plus 3a and minus 2a, so it will be a, just a, right? So just log 2, so log 3 plus log 2 minus this log 2 into 3 can be written as log 2 plus log 3, okay, so which is equals to log 3 plus log 2 minus log 2, minus into plus is minus log 3, so plus log 2 minus log 2 gets cancelled out, and plus log 3 minus log 3 gets cancelled out, so this comes out to be 0, which is our answer. Understood? So it's very easy, this logarithm. You just need to know how to do it, okay, and you just need to just solve it. You just need to go with the flow, and then you will be able to do it, okay. And another thing is that you just need to be aware of the terms that are given, just like here log 5 was given, 2 log 5, that is why I broke this log 2 log 10 into this 10 into 2 into 5, okay. Similarly, I broke down this 6, I wrote this 6 as 2 into 3, because here it was log 3 and log 2 were given, that is why. These are the awareness that you need to have while solving this logarithm chapter, okay. Next, this 2 support 7, what is given here is that log 2, we need to simplify it again, log 2 plus 16 log 16 by 15 plus 12 log 25 by 24 plus 7 log 81 by 80, okay. So let's just simplify it. So log 2 plus, which is equals to log 2 plus 16 log, this 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4, and this 15 can be written as 3 into 5, okay, plus 12 log, this 25 can be written as 5 square, and this 24 can be written as 2, just a second, 24 can be written as 3 into 8, okay, and this 8 means what, 2 cube, so 24 is equals to 3 into 2 cube, that is what I have written here, okay. Understood? So yeah, and then plus 7 log 81 by 80, 81 means 3 to the power 4, and 80 means 5 into 16, and this 16 means 2 to the power 4, okay, that is what I have written. So I have simplified it as, okay, equals to log 2 plus 16 log, I am just separating it, okay, log 2 to the power 4 by 3 into 5 can be written as, just think it like this, log m by n can be written as log m minus log n, so it comes out to be 16 log 2 to the power 4 minus 16 log in bracket 3 into 5. Similarly, this can be separated as 12 log 5 square minus 12 log in bracket 3 into 2 cube, that is what I have written, minus 12 log 3 into 2 cube. Similarly, 7 log 3 to the power 4 by 5 into 2 to the power 4 can be written as 7 log 3 to the power 4, 7 log 3 to the power 4 minus 7 log in bracket 5 into 2 to the power 4 minus 7 log in bracket 5 into 2 to the power 4, okay. Now simplifying it further, we get log 2 plus 2 to the power 4, okay, this 4 comes to this side, okay, because log m to the power n can be written as n log m, okay. So this 4 gets multiplied with 16, and this comes out to be 16 4s are 64, 64 log 2, so plus 64 log 2 again, yeah, minus 16 log 3 into 5, so log m into n can be written as log m plus log n, and here it is minus, so we can write it as minus 16 log 3, again minus 16 log 5, okay, plus 12 log 5 square. This 2 comes here and gets multiplied by 12, so 12 into 2 is 24, so it will be plus 24 log 5, so plus 24 log 5. Got it? Then just a second, yeah, minus 12 log 3 into 2 cube can be written as minus 12 log 3 minus 12 log 2 cube, okay, again plus 7 log 3 to the power 4, that means 4 gets multiplied by 7 and it becomes 28, so plus 28 log 3 minus 7 log 5 minus 7 log 2 to the power 4. This 7 log 2 to the power minus 7 log 2 to the power 4, I have written it directly as minus 28 log 2, because this 4 gets multiplied by 7 and it becomes minus 28 log 2. Understood? Which is written here. Okay. So this comes out to be 65 log 2. Okay. See, log 2 plus 64 log 2. That means 65 log 2. I have written it here. 65 log 2 minus 12 log 2 cube. Yeah. So what I have done here is that I have taken all log 2 related terms first. Okay. Followed by log 3 related terms and then log 5 related terms. So log 2 related terms means log 2. Here it is log 2 plus 64 log 2. That means 65 log 2. And then minus 12 log 2 cube. And at last 28 log 2 minus 28 log 2. So I have written all of them here. 65 log 2 minus 12 log 2 cube minus 28 log 2. Okay. Again, I have taken all the log 3 related terms. Okay. So here it is minus 16 log 3 plus 28 log 3 minus 12 log 3. Any other log 3 related terms? No. So I have written it as plus 28 log 3 minus 16 log 3 minus 12 log 3. Understood? This plus 28 log 3, because here it was minus, so I have taken the positive term first. So plus 28 log 3 minus 16 log 3 minus 12 log 3. Okay. Next comes the log 5 related terms. It's minus 16 log 5 plus 24 log 5 and minus 7 log 5. So I have written it as plus 24 log 5 minus 16 log 5 minus 7 log 5. So plus 24 log 5 minus 16 log 5 minus 7 log 5. So it comes out to be, okay, 65 log 2 minus this 3 gets multiplied, this 3 comes here and gets multiplied to 12 and it becomes 36. So minus 36 log 2 minus 28 log 2. Okay. Plus 28 log 3 and this minus 16 minus 12, that means minus 28. So minus 28 log 3 plus 24 log 5 and this minus 16 minus 7 means minus 23. So minus 23 log 5. So it comes out to be 64 log 2 and this 36 and 28 gives 64. So minus 36 minus 28 will be minus 64 log 2 plus 24 log 5 minus 23 log 5 and this plus 28 log 3 and minus 28 log 3 gets cancelled out. Okay. So 65 log 2 minus 64 log 2, that means the log 2. Similarly 24 log 5 minus 23 log 5 comes out to be only log 5. So it will be log 2 plus log 5, that means we can write it as log 2 into 5. Understood? Which is equals to log 10. This log 2 into 5, why is it so? Because we know that log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. Okay. So here log m plus log n was written, so we wrote it as log m into n. So log 2 into 5. So log 10 which is equals to, see here no base was mentioned, okay, so I have taken the base as 10. So log 10 base 10 means what? If we convert it into exponential form, so it will be what? 10 to the power what is equals to this 10. So 10 to the power 1 will be this, is equals to 10. So the answer comes out to be 1. Okay, so let's come to sum number 5. Okay, so here we are given the values of x is equals to 100 to the power a, y equals to 10,000 to the power b, and z equals to 10 to the power c. And we are asked to find out the value of express log 10 into root y by x square into z cube in terms of a, b and c. So first of all, what we have done here is that we have substituted the value of x, y and z as 10 to the power 100 to the power a, 10,000 to the power b and 10 to the power c. Okay, so here 10 into root y, in place of y I have written 10,000 to the power b, the value of y. Similarly, x square is written as 100 to the power a whole square, and z cube is equals to 10 to the power c whole cube. Got it? So this is equal to log 10 into root over 10,000 to the power b whole divided by 100 to the power a whole square, that means 100 to the power 2a. Similarly, 10 to the power c whole cube, that means 10 to the power 3c. Got it? Which is equals to log 10 can be written as 10 to the power 1 into this 10,000. Understand this, 10,000 to the power b whole square root, okay, can be written as this 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 4 whole to the power b, and since there is a square root, okay, I will do it later. Okay, so this can be written as 10 to the power 4 whole to the power b, that means 10 to the power 4b, and this square root can be written as whole to the power half. So this can be written as 10 to the power 4b into half, which is equals to 10 to the power 4b. Just a second, this 2 and 4 gets cancelled, can be written as this comes out to be 2 and this is 1. Okay, so this can be written as 10 to the power 2b. Understood? That is what I have done. Okay, here see this 10 means 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 10,000 to the power b whole root can be written as 10,000 to the power 4b by 2. Okay, so 10 to the power 4b by 2 whole divided by this 100 can be written as 10 square, that means 10 square whole to the power 2a, that means 10 to the power 2a into 2. Similarly, this 10 to the power 3c can be I have just kept it like that only. Okay, so this 10 to the power 4b by 2, this 2 and 4 gets divided and it becomes 2b. So 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 2b, 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 2b. So x to the power m into x to the power n, it comes out to be x to the power m plus n, that means 10 to the power 1 plus 2b. Okay, that is what I have written here. So this is equals to log 10 to the power 1 plus 2b divided by log 10 to the power 4a divided by 10 to the power 4a into 10 to the power 3c. Okay, which is equals to log 10 to the power 1 plus 2b by c log 10 to the power 4a into log 10 to the power 3c can be written as 10 to the power 4a plus 3c. That is what I have written. So this is equals to log 10 whole to the power 1 plus 2b and let me write it here. This 10 to the power 1 plus 2b was already there and it was divided by 10 to the power 4a plus 3c. So when we are writing it, in the combined manner, then we can say that 10 to the power 1 plus 2b minus 4a plus 3c, and simplifying it further we get 10 to the power 1 plus 2b minus 4a minus 3c. That is what I have written. And we know that when no base is mentioned, then we take the base as 10. So 10 to the log 10 to the power this base 10 can be written as 1 minus 4a plus 2b minus 3c. That will be our answer. Understood? Okay. So let's come to the next sum. 6 sub part 2. What is given here is that a equals to log x base 10. So we can write it as, first of all, we can just convert it into exponential form. So this x will be equals to what? 10 to the power a. Understood? And we are we are asked to express log 10, okay, x square whole to the power 1 by 5 in terms of a. So log 10 x square whole to the power 1 by 5 is equals to, what can be written here is that log 10 log base 10 x, so it was not log 10, it was log base 10. Okay, yeah. So log base 10 x to the power this root over of 5 can be written as x to the power 2 by 5. Okay, so log base 10 x means what? 10 to the power a. That is what I have written, 10 to the power a whole to the power 2 by 5. So which is equals to log 10 to the power 2a by 5, because this a gets multiplied by this 2 by 5, so it becomes 2a by 5 base 10. So it is what? We can directly write it as 2a by 5. Okay, we don't have to do all these things because we have already done it. Okay, so this becomes 2a by 5 and this will be our answer. Got it? Okay, let's come to the next sum, question number 9. Okay, so here we are given x equals to log 12 base 10. That means 12 will be equals to 10 to the power x. Got it? Similarly, y is equals to log 2 base 4. Y is given as log 2 base 4 into log 9 base 10. So let's just simplify it. Y equals to, which implies y equals to log 2 base 4. Here, look. So we need to express this 2 in terms of 4. Got it? So 2 can be written as root over of 4. That means 4 to the power half. So that is what I have written here. So y equals to log 4 whole to the power half base 4 plus log 9 base 10. I have kept it as it is. Okay, which is equals to half this 4 to the power half. This half comes at the front. So half log 4 base 4 into log 9 base 10. So log 4 base 4 will be equals to what? 1. So half into 1 into log 9 base 10. Therefore y equals to half log 9 base 10. So we can write it as this half log 9 base 10 can be written as this half will go to this side. Okay, and it will be 9 to the power half base 10. Got it? So 9 to the power half means log 9 means what? 3 square whole to the power half base 10. That means log 3 square whole to the power half. That means 2 into half. This half and this 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So it will be log 3 base 10. Understood? So that is what has come here, log 3 base 10. Okay. Therefore, if we convert it into exponential form, then we can write it as 10 to the power y equals to 3, which implies 3 equals to 10 to the power y. That is what I have written. Similarly, z is given as log 0.4 base 10. Therefore we can say that 0.4 is equals to 10 to the power z. Okay. Now we are asked to find out the value of x minus y minus z. X minus y minus z. What is the value of x that we have got here is log 12. Okay. Y, the value of y was log 3 and the value of z was where was it? Yeah, here, log 0.4. Okay. I haven't written the base because the base is same everywhere. Okay. So log 12 can be written as what? 4 into 3, and this 4 means 2 square. Understood? So log 12 means log 2 square into 3 minus log 3 minus log 4, log 0.4. 0.4 means what? 4 by 10. Understood? This 4 by 10 means it is 2 square by 10. So I have written it as log 2 square by 10. Got it? So this log 2 square into 3, I have just separated it and written it as log 2 square plus log 3. Then minus log 3 is written, and minus log 2 square by 10 can be written as minus log 2 square minus plus log 10, minus log 2 square plus log 10, because minus of log 2 square by 10, okay, can be written as this minus stays here and it can be written as log 2 square minus log 10. So when we are opening the bracket, this minus gets multiplied to both of them and it becomes log minus 2 square minus log 2 square plus this minus multiplied by minus becomes plus, this becomes log 10. Understood? That is what I have written, minus log 2 square plus log 10. Okay. So so it will be minus log 2 square plus log 10. So plus log 2 square minus log 2 square gets cancelled out, plus log 3 minus log 3 gets cancelled out, and it comes out to be log 10. So log 10 can be written as log 10 base 10, because basis, if no base is mentioned, then it will be 10. Okay. So it will be 1, because 10 to the power 1 is equals to 10. Got it? Okay. The second thing is we have to find out the value of 7 to the power x minus y minus z. First of all, what we got the value of x minus y minus z? It is, we got x minus y minus z as 1. Therefore it will be nothing but 7 to the power 1, which is equals to 7. Understood? Now let's come to question number 10. So here we are given the expression log v plus log 3 is equals to log pi plus log 4 plus 3 log r. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Now we are asked to find out what just a second, question number 10. Yeah. So we are asked to find out v in terms of other quantities. Okay. So we will keep since we are asked to find out the value of v, okay, we are asked to find out we are asked to express v in terms of other quantities. So we will keep this v on the left and we will shift everything to the right side of equal to. Okay. So log v is equals to log pi plus log 4 plus this 3 log r means log r cube, and this plus log 3, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus log 3. Okay. So it becomes which implies log v equals to log, see, when these are all plus, then it will get multiplied, and when this is minus, it will get divided. Okay. So 4 pi r cube divided by 3. Okay. So we got log v is equals to log 4 pi r cube by 3, right? Now we need to express v in terms of other quantities, so we don't need log on both sides, so we decide on taking anti-log. Okay, that means simply dividing log on both sides. Okay, so taking anti-log, we get v is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This will be our answer. Understood? Okay, let's come to the next sum, question number 11. So here we are given 3 into log 5 minus log 3 minus log 5 minus 2 log 6 is equals to 2 minus log n. Okay, so we are asked to find out the value of n. Very simple, we will just simplify it. So 3 into log 5 minus log 3, so it gets multiplied by 3, this, so this comes out to be 3 log 5 minus 3 log 3, again minus log 5 minus 2 log 6, so I'm just opening the bracket, so it will be minus log 5 plus 2 log 6, so minus log 5 plus 2 log 6 equals to 2 minus log n. Now understand this, the value of 2. Okay, so this 2, can it be written as log 100 base 10? Can we write it like this? See, because this 10 square equals to 100, therefore we don't have, like, we have everything in logarithmic term except this 2, so we need to take this 2, convert this 2 into some logarithmic term. That is why I have written this 2 as log 100, because log 100 base 10 is nothing but 2. Understood? That is why. Okay, so I am taking this minus log n on the left hand side of equal to, and it becomes plus log n, and I am taking everything to the right hand side. So this log n is equals to log 100 was already there, and this and other things, other terms will come to the right hand side. Okay, so this plus 3 log 5 becomes minus 3 log 5. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so I have already simplified it. This 3 log 5 minus log 5, that means 2 log 5. So this plus 2 log 5 comes to the other side and becomes minus 2 log 5. And this minus 2 log 5 can be written as what? Minus log 5 square. That is what I have written here. Understood? Again, minus 3 log 3 means what? Minus log 3 cube, and it goes to the other side to become plus log 3 cube. Again, plus 2 log 6, this plus 2 log 6 can be written as log 6 square, so this goes to the other side and becomes minus log 6 square. Understood? Therefore log n, which implies log n equals to log 100 minus log 5 square means log 25 plus log 3 cube means log 27 minus log 6 square means log 36. Understood? Which implies log n equals to, the terms which are added will get multiplied, and the terms which are subtracted will get divided. So it becomes log of 100 into 27 divided by 25 into 36. Okay, so this 25 and 100 gets cancelled out, and it becomes 4. Okay, again this 4 and 36, it becomes 9. Okay, and this 9 and 27, it becomes 3. Okay, so we got log 3. Now we are asked to find out the value of n, so we need to we need to take anti-log, because we need to remove this log terms. Okay, so taking anti-log, we get n equals to 3. So n will be what? It will be equals to 3. Now let's come to question number 14. So it is given here is that a square equals to log x base 10. From here we can say that x is nothing but 10 to the power a square. Okay, just a second. 10 to the power a square. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, a square equals to log x base 10 and b cube is given as log y base 10. Okay. Okay, we are asked to find out the value of a square by 2 minus b cube by 3. Okay, that is why I have done it like this. So a square means log x base 10. Therefore, a square by 2 will be what? We have to divide both sides by half, divide both sides by 2, so it becomes a square by 2, and this becomes 1 by 2 into log x by base 10. Got it? Similarly, b cube by 3, in order to get b cube by 3 we need to divide this, you divide both sides of this equation by 3. Okay, so it becomes b cube by 3 equals to 1 by 3 log y base 10. Okay, therefore we are given here is that we are given a square by 2 minus b cube by 3 is equals to log z base 10. Therefore, a square by 2 means what? Half log x base 10. Now, minus b cube by 3 is what? 1 by 3 log y base 10. Okay, this is equal to log z base 10. Now, I have just simplified it. This half comes here, so it becomes log x to the power half base 10 minus this 1 by 3 comes here and becomes log y whole to the power 1 by 3 base 10 is equals to log z base 10. So this is minus, so this will be divided. Okay, which implies log base 10 x to the power half by y to the power 1 by 3 is equals to log z base 10. Now taking antilog, we get x to the power half by y to the power 1 by 3 equals to z. Therefore, z equals to x to the power half by y to the power 1 by 3. Got it? Okay. Let's come to sum number 16 then. Here we are given log x base 10 equals to m plus n. So from here we can say that x will be what? X will be equals to 10 to the power m plus n. Similarly, log y base 10 is given as m minus n. Therefore, y can be written as 10 to the power m minus n. Got it? So we are asked to find out the value of log 10x by y square. So log 10x by y square. So first of all, I have substituted the value of x by 10 to the power m plus n and the value of y by 10 to the power m minus n. So log 10 into 10 to the power m plus n whole divided by y square means 10 to the power m minus n, then a whole square. Okay, which is equals to log 10 to the power, see, 10 into 10 to the power m plus n. Okay, this 10 means nothing but 10 to the power 1. So we know that x to the power a into x to the power b equals to x to the power a plus b. Similarly, 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power m plus n will be what? 10 to the power m plus n plus 1. That is what I have written here. Again, 10 to the power m minus n whole square. That means this 2 will be multiplied by m minus n. So it will be 10 to the power 2m minus 2n. Got it? Again. So this is equal to log of 10 to the power m plus n plus 1 whole divided by 10 to the power 2m minus 2n. So we know that x to the power a by x to the power b is equals to what? This is equals to x to the power a minus b. That is what I have written. Okay, so log 10 to the power m plus n plus 1, now minus 2m minus into minus, that means plus 2n. Okay, so m minus 2m means minus m, n plus 2n means 3n, and this plus 1. So this is equals to log 10 to the power 3n minus m plus 1. which is nothing but the base was not given, so we took the base as, I took the base as 10. So this gets cancelled out and it becomes 3n minus m plus 1. Understood? Okay, let's come to question number 24. So here it is given as here it is given 5 to the power, here it is given 5 to the power log x plus 3 to the power log x equals to 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 5 to the power log x minus 1. Okay, so I have just rearranged this. I have taken this 5 to the power log x minus 1 to this side and 3 to the power log x to this side. So it becomes, which implies 5 to the power log x plus 5 to the power log x minus 1 is equals to 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 3 to the power log x. Got it? Which implies 5 to the power log x plus, I have just separated this, plus 5 to the power log x into 5 to the power minus 1. Okay, because this 5 to the power log x minus 1 can be written as 5 to the power log x minus 1, so 5 to the power minus 1. Okay, this is equals to 3 to the power log x plus 1 means 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power 1. Again, minus 3 to the power log x, I have kept it as it is. Okay, just let me explain this. X to the power a plus b can be written as x to the power a into x to the power b. Now in place of a, I have written here log m. So this a will be what? Log m. That is what I have done. X to the power log m plus b can be written as x to the power log m into x to the power b. So here look, x to the 5 to the power log x minus 1, I have written it as 5 to the power log x into 5 to the power minus 1. Got it? Similarly, 3 to the power log x plus 1, I have written it as 3 to the power log x into 3 to the power 1. Got it? Okay, so yeah, so what we got here is that 5 okay, we have taken 5 to the power log x common from these two terms, so we have left with 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 is equal to, which is equal to 3 to the power log x I have taken as common, so here it will be 3 minus 1, which implies 5 to the power log x into 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5, which is equals to 3 to the power log x, and this into 3 minus 1 means 2. So this comes out to be 5 to the power log x into 6 by 5 equals to 3 to the power log x into 2. Now I am taking this 3 to the power log x to this side and 6 by 5 to this side. So 3 to the power log x is multiplied to 2 on the right hand side. So when it comes to the left hand side, then it will be divide. So 5 to the power log x whole divided by 3 to the power log x equals to 2, and this 6 by 5, when it goes to the other side, it will be 5 by 6 because here it is multiplied. So it will be when it goes to the right hand side, it will be reciprocal. Got it? So it will be 2 into 5 by 6. This 2 and 6 gets simplified as 3. So it becomes 5 by 3. Therefore, 5 to the power log x by 3 to the power log x. Understand here. X to the power a by x y to the power a can be written as x by y whole to the power a. In case of a, here it is log x. Okay, so I have written it like this: 5 by 3 whole to the power log x equals to 5 by 3 whole to the power 1. Therefore, we can say here is that, what we can say here is that when bases are equal, then powers are also equal. This is the rule of indices, law of indices, right? So law of indices. So therefore we can say that log x equals to 1. Therefore, since the base is not given, so we can take the base as 10. Therefore log x base 10 equals to 1. Therefore x equals to what? 10 to the power 1, that is x equals to 10. Understood? Okay, let's come to question number 25. Here we are given log x minus y divided by 2 equals to half log x plus log y, and we are required to prove that this RTP stands for required to prove. Okay, so we are required to prove that xx square plus y square equals to 6xy. Okay, so let's see. Let's first of all, from here we cannot understand how to do this, right? So we'll just keep on simplifying this. So log x minus y by 2 is equals to what? Half log xy, because log x plus log y is equals to log of xy, which implies log x minus y by 2 is equals to, I am taking this half inside. Okay, so we can write it as log xy whole to the power half, right? Now taking anti-log, we get x minus y by 2 is equals to this xy to the power half means what? Root xy. Okay, now look here, we need to find out, we have this term xy, but here we have this in root, so we need to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we get x minus y by 2 whole square is equals to root xy whole square, which implies x minus y whole square by 2 square means 4 is equals to xy. Now this 4 gets multiplied to this xy, which implies xx square, x minus y whole square, the formula of x minus y whole square is xx square minus 2xy plus y square, which is equals to 4xy, which implies this minus 2xy gets to the right hand side, and it becomes plus 2xy. So we have xx square plus y square equals to 4xy plus 2xy, that is 6xy, hence proved. Got it? Okay, moving on to the next sum. We get, okay, here we have question number 26. It is given here is that xx square plus y square equals to 23xy. Okay, and we are required to prove that log x plus y by 5 is equals to half log x plus log y. Okay, so first of all, what we can see here is that, look here, it is half log x plus log y. That means this log x plus log y means log xy, and this half means whole to the power half. Okay, and here this log x plus y by 5, let's keep it as it is. Now if we take anti-log here, then we will get what? X plus y by 5 is equals to xy whole to the power half. Now if we square both sides, what we'll get here is that x plus y whole square by 25 is equals to xy, which implies x plus y whole square is equals to 25xy, which implies that xx square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to 25xy. Now if we take this plus 2xy to the right hand side, then it becomes xx square plus y square is equals to 23. 25xy minus 2xy, which is equals to 23xy. That is what we have here. Xx square plus y square is given as 23xy. So we need to, what we need to do is we need to just backtrace it. Okay, so see here 23xy is given, so we need to add 2xy to both sides. Okay, that is what I have done. I have adding 2xy on both sides, we get xx square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, this is how far you need to think in order to do this sum correctly, in order to prove this. Okay, that is what I have done, that is what I have showed you. Okay, so this is how far you need to think, right? So let me just erase this so that it does not become clumsy. Okay, yeah, so adding 2x on both sides, we get xx square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 23xy plus 2xy, which implies x plus y whole square is equals to 25xy. So x plus y whole square, because xx square plus y square plus 2xy is the formula of x plus y whole square, right? Now square rooting both sides, we get x plus y, square root of x plus y whole square gives us x plus y, and square root of 25xy becomes 5 root xy, right? Which implies I am taking this 5 to this side, to the left hand side, so it becomes divide, therefore, which implies x plus y by 5 is equals to root xy. Now taking log on both sides, we get log x plus y by 5 is equals to log xy, log root xy, which implies log x plus y by 5. We have got the left hand side, so we will keep on writing it, okay, is equals to, we haven't got this right hand side, it will be half, right? So is, which is equals to log xy whole to the power half. Now we will take this half to the left, so this half I have taken it, and this log xy can be written as log x plus log y. So eventually we got, ultimately we got log x plus y by 5 is equals to half log x plus log y, hence proved. Understood? So the sums of logarithm is very easy, you just need to know the technique of how to do it, of doing it, right? Okay, let's come to question number 28, subpart 1. So we need to prove this, that 1 by log 42 base 2 plus 1 by log 42 base 3 plus 1 by log 42 base 7 is equals to 1. So these are some specific type of questions, and we just need to know how to do them, okay? So taking left hand side, we get 1 by log 42 base 2 plus 1 by log 42 base 3 plus 1 by log 42 base 7 is equal to, now see, we have learned this in the base changing formula. Log a base b can be written as log a by log b. Got it? So I have written it like this. Log 42 base 2 can be written as log 42 by log 2. Similarly, log 43 base 3 can be written as log 43 by log 3. And log 42 base 3 can be written as log 42 by log 3. And log 42 base 7 can be written as log 42 by log 7. Understood? So 1 by log 42 by log 2. So this comes out to be, it it becomes reciprocal, okay? So it becomes it is log 2 by log 42 plus, similarly it will be log 3 by log 42, similarly it will be log 7 by log 42, which is equals to, since the base the denominator is same, so the numerator just get added up. So this is equal to log 2 plus log 3 plus log 7 whole divided by log 42, which is equals to log a plus log b plus log c is equals to what? Log a into b into c, right? So it is equal to log 2 into 3 into 7 by log 42, which is equals to 2 into 3 into 7 is what? 2 into 3 6, 6 into 7 is 42, which is equals to log 42 by log 42, which is equals to 1. Proved, which is equals to RHS proved. We need to write this step, okay, which is equals to RHS proved. Okay, let's come to question number 29, subpart 1. Okay, here it is given as we need to prove that 1 by log ABC base A plus 1 by log ABC base B plus 1 by log ABC base C is equals to 1, right? Similar sum. So we have taken left hand side, therefore left hand side is equals to 1 by log ABC base A plus 1 by log ABC base B plus 1 by log ABC base C is equals to, we have used the base changing formula. So this will be equals to 1 by log ABC by log A plus 1 by log ABC by log B plus 1 by log ABC by log C. it will be by log C, okay, which is equals to, this becomes reciprocal when we are dividing 1 by log ABC by log A, okay. So this will be log A by log ABC plus log B by log ABC plus log C by log ABC, which is equals to, since the denominator is same, so when we are doing LCM, so the numerator just gets added up, right? So it will be log A plus log B plus log C whole divided by log ABC, which is equals to, log A plus log B plus log C can be written as log ABC by log ABC, which is equals to 1, equals to RHS proved. Understood? Okay. Question number 30. Here we are given log x base A is equals to 1 by alpha, log x base B equals to 1 by beta, and log x base C equals to 1 by gamma. And we are asked to find out the value of log x base ABC, right? Okay. So first of all, log x base A equals to 1 by alpha. That means we can say that log x by log A equals to 1 by alpha. Okay. Log x base B equals to 1 by beta. Therefore, we can say that log x by log B equals to 1 by beta. And log x base C equals to 1 by gamma. Therefore, log x by log C equals to 1 by gamma. Okay. Now, log x, okay, from here, from the first equation, we get log x equals to what? 1 by alpha into log A. From the second equation, we get log x equals to 1 by beta log B. From the third equation, we get log x equals to 1 by gamma log C. Now we are asked to find out the value of log x base ABC, right? Which is equals to, this can be simplified as log x by log ABC, which is equals to log x by log A plus log B plus log C. This can be written like this, right? Which is equals to log x whole divided by log A means what? Okay, log A means, if we multiply, just if we shift this 1 by alpha to the left, then it will be what? Alpha. Similarly, if we shift this 1 by beta to the left, it will be what? Beta. And if we shift this 1 by gamma to the left, it will be what? Gamma. So it becomes log, in place of log A, we have written, we can write alpha log x. In place of log B, we can write beta log x. And in place of log C, we can write gamma log x. So if we take this log x common from all the sides, then we are left with alpha plus beta plus gamma. Got it? Now this log x gets cancelled out and it becomes 1 by alpha plus beta plus gamma, and this will be our answer. Understood? Okay. So let's okay, so see if you have any problem. Okay, otherwise I will move on to the next sum. Just a second. Okay, moving on to the next sum. It's 31 supper 2. Okay, so in 31 supper 2 we are asked to solve for x. Okay, and we are given log x base 2 plus log x base 8 plus log x base 32 is equals to 23 by 15. Okay, therefore, which implies we'll just use the base changing formula, and we can write it as which implies log x base 2 means log x by log 2. Similarly, log x base 8 means log x by log 8. Similarly, log x base 32 means log x by log 32, which is equals to 23 by 15. Okay, which implies keep this log x as it is. We can see here is that we have this 2, 8 and 32. All of these are multiples of 2, so I have written it like that. So log x, which implies log x by log 2 plus log x by log 8, I have written as 2 cube, plus log x by log 32 I have written it as 2 by 2 to the power 5, right, which is equals to 23 by 15, which implies log x by log 2 plus log x by this log 2 cube can be written as 3 log 2, I have written it like that, plus log x by log 2 to the power 5 means 5 log 2. Okay, which is equals to 23 by 15, which implies I have taken this log x common, so here it comes out to be 1 by log 2 plus 1 by 3 log 2 plus 1 by 5 log 2, which is equals to 23 by 15, which implies log x. Now I have taken the LCM. Okay, see, don't consider it as log 2, let log 2 be a. Okay, therefore this 1 by log 2 becomes a, 1 by a, plus 1 by 3 log 2 becomes 1 by 3a, plus 1 by 5 log 2 becomes 1 by 5a. So in order to simplify it, we need to take the LCM of a, 3a and 5a. So it will be what? A, 3a and 5a. First divide everything by a, so it will be 1, 3, 5. So our LCM comes out to be what? A into 3 into 5, which is equals to 15a. Okay, so our LCM will be 15 log 2. That is what I have written here, right? Okay, let's skip it here so that you can understand it. You guys can understand it, right? Okay, so yeah, 15 log 2 is the LCM. Now if we divide 15 log 2 by log 2, we will get 15, so it will be 15. Okay, in other words, you can think it like that. By how much we need to multiply log 2 so that we get 15 log 2, so we have to multiply it by 15. So since we are multiplying the denominator by 15, so we have to multiply the numerator by 15 as well, so it will be 1 into 15, so it will be 15. Similarly, 3 log 2, so we need to multiply it numerator and denominator by 5, so it will be 5. And similarly here 5 into 3 is 15, so it will be 3. So which implies 15 plus 5 plus 3 is 23, so it will be 23 log x by 15 log 2. Understood? Which is equals to 23 by 15. This 23 and 15 gets cancelled out, which implies log x is equals to log x by log 2, we can write it as log x base 2, which is equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 2 to the power 1. Therefore x equals to 2, which is our answer. Understood? So this was the last sum. Okay, now if you guys have any problem in any sum, you can comment it in the comment section, and I will show that particular sum in as a YouTube short video, and you can go through it, right? Okay, so if you like this chapter and if you like the way I have taught you, then like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share this with others, as it will be beneficial for others to learn this chapter as well.